Up next on the docket, we have Tekashi versus the state of New York. May the defendant please approach your position, please.
How you doing? My name is Andrew Schwartzman. I am from the Brooklyn Defenders organization. We represent indigent clients. My client here is Daniel Hernandez. He is facing serious felony charges, but he was wondering if he had a chance to address the court, Your Honor.
Yes. Tekashi, in this accusation, how do you plead?
Go ahead. Talk to him. Go.
You want me to talk to?
Yeah.
Talk my shit? I bet. Yo, I plead. Blicky, I'm not guilty,
Your Honor.
That's not how we do it?
I know.
Nah. Nigga, I do what I want.
Daniel.
Fuck out of here.
Daniel.
Fuck out of here.
Daniel, what are you doing? Guilty or not?
Excuse me. Guys. This is a court proceeding. Let's take this a little more seriously.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. My client, can I just have a minute with my client?
Okay, just moving on. Tekashi's here. Daniel, pardon. It says here that you were a member of the Blood Gang set called Trey Way.
I would like that speaking from the record. My client, Daniel Hernandez, is
Shout out my blood, shout out my gang, shout out my business. Let's get busy. Shooting niggas in the faces of my blood nigga. Woo!
He's a church kid. Daniel, what's wrong with you? You're gonna go to jail for a serious time.
Nah.
This is not a game.
Like I go to jail for real?
Like jail.
Like prison?
Like you're gonna be someone's bitch.
I never been to jail.
You're gonna go to jail with that long hair?
I thought it was just.
You're gonna be a fifi.
I thought it was just acting.
It's not acting.
It's not acting?
It's real life, nigga.
Oh man. Let's get this paper, let's get some pens, let's get this stitching! I'm a toll on my boys on London Bus. Yo, listen, this is the #1 podcast in the motherfucking world. You know what I'm saying? This nigga's about to go under the jail.
Do the drop.
Do the fucking drop.
Damn. Shout out to that. Tommy Lorraine helped us write that sketch.
Yeah.
Episode 136.
That's right.
Of the most dangerous podcast in the world. If this podcast was a bottle of medicine, mad kids would have died from it, and the FDA would have redesigned the shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Because it's too strong,
yeah.
too brolic. And we on video. How you feel? Episode 136, Bodega Boys podcast, coming to you live from the Milk Room. Coming to you live from the Jam Room at Milk.
Jam Room.
I don't know what the Milk Room at Milk is. That's like, just got mad ladies lactated and shit.
Okay.
A couple of guys, too, in case you're into that.
Let's go check it out.
Oat milk. Yeah. That's where oat milk comes from, male nipples. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice and the kid Mero.
That's right. We're out here, you know what I'm saying? And we are reporting on what is happening in the world today.
You know what it is? We are finger popping the Zeitgeist.
That's right.
That is what our show is.
We get y'all hyped.
All right.
For the Zeitgeist.
Get you wet, some secretions. You know what it is. As always, let's handle business in the first part like a mullet. Shout out to Cash App.
The party was last night, you know what I'm saying? It was full
shout out to Garrett, shout out to Square Cash, shout out to Cat.
You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of niggas with purple hair in there, but
yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
A lot of knockoff Travis Scotts, a lot of Travis Knots. A lot of people in here like, yo. You know what? I wonder about the younger generation because they be doing cocaine shit without cocaine.
That's crazy.
Y'all missing out.
I'm like, yo, fam, at least do the coke first.
Like being at a party like last night, no one was doing bumps and coke. They all on pills and shit.
Yeah, like I don't even know what you're on.
In the corner and shit.
Yeah,
they playing Little Peep. Niggas is crying. Like this shit ain't fun.
This shit is depressing, man. Right? Like I had to go down to the jam room and just like.
Meanwhile, I come through in a members only jacket. Like,
hey,
who wants to hit the slopes? Let's go. Yeah,
420 friendly on this side, pal. Yeah. Let me tell you something. It was way better in '89.
You know why they call this Coke Simba? Because it feels like a monkey's holding you up. Yeah, let's fucking go. As always, shout out to the Lion King remake, which apparently, shout out to our homies. They got it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Timon and Pumbaa. Listen, we're too raw, too real for TV. You want to watch the Lion King, if they got Beyonce in it, you don't want, like, when they go to, like, Timon and Pumbaa, we cursing and shit.
Yeah, like, yo, you gonna let motherfuckers disrespect you like that? They killed your pops, nigga.
Yo,
you better ride.
Get the strap,
you better ride.
Little bitch, nigga.
Bitch ass motherfucker.
Look at you. You got
name is Simba,
you
nigga.
got ran out of Pearl Rock, fried rock and shit.
Your uncle way more thugged out than you, B.
Damn, your uncle bitch you, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? He's a real nigga, you know what I'm saying? You cornball.
Get the nigga out of here,
fuck
man.
Out of here,
You're out here for super violate this nigga. Fucking whack ass nigga.
Super violate.
Bitch ass nigga. Kick this nigga off the cliff. Can't have that.
How do I get the fuck out of here, bitch ass nigga?
Simba. We had to take a Simba to fucking like Kingsbridge. It's just nigga.
You can make that nigga get Coco Halado. Like, yo, go get that shit, nigga. Bring my change.
Like, you're not in Pride Rock no more. All right, now, nigga, you in Baychester.
That's right.
All right, you king of Baychester.
Act accordingly.
All right, don't go over there. That's Edenwar.
Yeah,
where the sun.
yeah.
That's where the hyenas be at.
Yo, just wear all black. You know what I'm saying? Don't wear no colors.
And don't go that way. That's a Daytop Center.
That's where the American Fiend team
instead of Rafiki the monkey holding him up, it's Poppy from the bodega. Like, is someone lead a baby?
Whose fucking baby is this? I'm gonna sell it in a barrel.
Oh, selling babies.
Yo,
we should sell babies. Is that there's no app.
There's no baby selling app.
There's apps to like get car insurance to buy. You could app. You could buy a car through an app. Why is the adoption process so cumbersome?
So weird.
It should just be like, yo, do you want a baby? And then you just choose surrogate adoption.
That's it.
That's it. And now if you got a baby, you like, if you wake up like, oh, I'm fucked up, I'm knocked up, but you got a busy schedule and you got time to, go get it.
You know what I'm saying?
Get the kid, get the kid an eviction notice, if you know what I'm saying. Get a little some abortion. You go to the app and
like,
you list the baby like Craigslist.
Fam, it's like Poshmark for infants.
Exactly. You just say the condition of the baby and or the father.
Mint.
Does the father have scabs on the face?
Original,
yes or no?
Original umbilical cord included.
Is this your?
You know what I'm saying?
Is your womb dead stock?
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean? Is it fresh?
Comes with placenta in a jar. You know what I'm saying?
It's just like swipe right, swipe right. It's like, oh, you got a match.
Oh, perfect.
Then you just meet at like a fucking designated location.
Fucking Best Buy parking lot.
Niggas meet at a fucking Subway, but they don't like yo, I'm not swiping my car. Just pass the baby over the turnstile.
You do the Michael Jackson shit. Hold the baby over the turnstile.
Hurry up, the express is coming.
Blanket, no, stop.
Niggas open the emergency gate. Just toss the baby like, yo, yeah, baby now, no backseats.
No backseats. I'm out.
What's the name of this app? Babier. Kidder. Where a kid can be a kid. Threaten your kids like, I'll put you on Kidder, nigga.
Keep playing with me. Who? That's the new millennium shit. Yeah. Before it used to be like, yo, I'm gonna send you to deal. I'm gonna send you to Jamaica.
I'll put you on Kidder.
Yo, now I'm gonna put you on Kidder, motherfucker.
Come home, the house is a mess. I'll be like, what is going on here? We'll put you on Kidder.
Oh, I'm putting on
Livingston.
You just take a picture of the nigga. Oh, you going on Kidder, motherfucker. Yeah, smile.
Oh, man. Ooh. Did you see about Donald Trump? Well, I mean, he was trying to build a Trump Tower in Russia. And guess who he was trying to give the penthouse, the $50 million penthouse to? Things that make you go, Why don't they use that in commercials anymore? That used to be a very popular song.
Things that make you go,
Damn, we're washed.
Yeah, we are washed. Fam, if you build a penthouse for Putin.
Penthouse for Putin. That sounds like...
That's 2 P's.
First
you only need one more P, and we know what that P is. And it's P.
Let me explain something to you. Penthouse for Putin. You know how fast I'm clicking on that link on X video?
Oh, man. Penthouse Putin? It's just him smashing Penthouse.
Damn.
Remember when everybody rapped like that?
Everybody. Everyone rapped like it was a carefree stroll through the park.
Yo, I'm walking through the park with my girl. We chilling. Yo, we got an L that we about to spark. Ha ha.
Ha ha. Hey. A baby bubble. I was in the park. We was chilling. I see Mero. He's such a villain. He's Penguin and Batman and a muskrat. And I saw, I got my gat. My gat started spitting. My honey started dipping. And like, all right, we got enough here.
I looked at him and I said, this nigga tripping.
I got big wooden beads with a big ankh. To the east, black man.
To the east.
With a key. Sissies.
You can't say it anymore. Is that problematic?
See, that's the thing. All that rap sounded real good, but they just slipped homophobic lyrics into it for no reason.
Yeah.
Yo, I was chilling with my girl, Margaret. It's gonna rhyme with. I'm not gonna do it on camera.
Come on, baby. We got sponsors now, baby.
I'm not fucking up the Showtime money.
We got Showtime money now, motherfucker.
Not fucking up the Showtime money.
You're stupid.
Shout out to Showtime.
You know what I'm saying? Official
number show in late night. Still number show late. I don't care if we took a fucking hiatus. We were throwing out the league because we was juicing.
You know what I'm saying?
We back after we got our father murdered, and we are back on February 21st at 11 p.m. on Thursday. The Bodega Boys is back.
Stupid
shit.
Wildcat shit.
It's the same show. It's just like a bigger budget.
Yeah, so we're gonna wild out.
The Showtime budget.
Yeah. And we
Showtime budget is stupid.
Oh, and we lie to niggas talking about we gonna do sketches. All we gonna do is just buy exotic animals.
Nigga, we racketeering. We the new Tekashi. We taking all our Showtime money and buying drugs, nigga. Drugs and pandas. I'm selling mad fucking erectile dysfunction pills in China as we speak.
Right now.
Nigga, I got 4 rhino shot this morning.
On,
like, I got Daiana grinding them shits up. Like, yeah.
Nigga, I'm selling vigor.
she went at the gate for China Airways. Like, yo, you making it hot. Take it. Copper go, nigga, copper go.
Yo. Speaking of airplanes, we will be flying out.
Shut the fuck up. Don't tell niggas. Oh, no.
Yeah.
By the time this drops, okay, cool.
Yeah. It was we going.
We going with his bottles on the run, with his bitches on the runway, models on the runway. Selly, give me one more chance. I've been dipping on the freeway, the NYC way. On my Selly, give me one more chance. I'm coming to LA. I'm going back to LA, Cali. Please don't kill us in California.
Yeah, no, don't
kill us.
Don't, bro, please.
If you kill us, you don't get the late night show.
Yeah,
duh.
And then if you kill us, it's gonna be mad conspiracy theories like, yo, one of them set the other one up.
Yeah,
like,
one of us is gonna have to do an Illuminati sacrifice.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
actually, you guys could vote. Viewers, right now. If you want to see Desus do an Illuminati sacrifice for Mero, press 1. If you want to see Mero do an Illuminati sacrifice for Desus, press 2. If you like to see Desus and Mero Illuminati sacrifice Victor, press 3. Well, it seems the 3s are winning. And you see Victor's not here today. So we're going to keep on rising to the top. Wait till the cops, they find Victor's body in the bushes. They see just the curls.
The girl's like, yo, we thought it was just another bush.
I thought someone killed a Shih Tzu.
Until the smell.
I thought it was a Labradoodle.
I thought it was a Spanish waterhound.
It's Law and Order. They're like, the victim, wow. He watched a lot of independent film.
Oh, wow.
This is like raiding all these art houses and shit. Like a producer of some film from 10 years ago gets framed. I was like, yeah, it was him.
Yo,
no, Victor's alive. We didn't kill Victor.
No, we didn't kill Victor. He's out here.
Yet.
He's doing a lot of big things.
Everyone could die, though. Everyone in a circle.
Everything is finite.
Everyone's finite. Remember, remember, death gives life's value.
That's right.
Think about it. When you played Contra and you had the 30 lives, you were reckless.
You were reckless.
You know?
Reckless.
Yeah.
When you had the 3 lives, bro, you was ducking under bullets and shit, jumping over motherfuckers. Like,
shout out to Alexis.
You know what I'm saying?
Serena's boo, as he said.
You know what I'm saying?
Got 1 life left.
0 lives remaining.
0 lives remaining.
You know what I'm saying? Think about that.
All right. And as Meek Mill said in today's verse with Rick, he said on the intro of his new album, I'm too rich to be fucking bitches raw. So, you know, I feel about that. I was like, wow.
Sound advice from Meek Mill.
Like, Meek Mill has turned into Martin Luther King. Not mad at it. I had a dream.
Hold
on, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished. Just everyone had to watch it. Niggas like, oh shit.
Hey, if I ain't got a condom, I ain't fucking none of y'all bitches.
Rosa Parks like, shoot.
Yo, safe sex, no freaks. You know what I'm saying?
They're my freak.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? They're my freak. Anyway.
Does this generation fuck with condoms? You know what I've noticed?
It used to be cool. There
used to be more places to get free condoms.
Yo, it used to be like a cool thing. Like, remember Big Pun had the promotional like Big Pun condoms and shit. Like, and TLC had the condom eyes shit. Like, this used to be cool. Like, yo, I got a condom, nigga. I'm out here getting pussy. You know what I'm saying? Now it's just like, yo, I got an IUD. You can just nut in me. I'm like, all right, cool. That's cool. You're not gonna get. We're not, like, I'm not gonna get KID, nigga, but I might get like
yo,
another
you got birth control. She's like, nah. I'm like, fuck it.
Roll the dice.
Fuck it, Trump gonna kill us anyway. Oh shit, my father's calling. It's probably bad news, so I can't answer right now. Like, why would my father be calling me at 11:35? This is not a. That's late for West Indian fathers. They usually up at like 4 a.m. chopping wood for no reason. Answer back. Now I feel bad because I'm like, what if this is really bad news? I should have answered right, because that fucking Black Mirror episode. Oh. But it's call your mother, not call your father. Yeah. My father's gonna leave me like some. First of all, Google Voice cannot translate my father at all. It's just gonna say like gibberish.
Welcome to the club. It's like beta transcription not available. It's like mad lines. They
might try. The first word is gonna be like Don, D-O-N. They're like, okay, all right. Let's see what's going on. Woo. Hey,
Don McGregor here.
Don McGregor. What do you think about this trade for Cano?
Well, you know, in typical Mets fashion, The Mets blowing it. You know, the franchise is an embarrassment to the state.
They're gonna trade what are they doing?
I can't wait because I feel like one of those pitchers is gonna end up on the Yankees somehow, like through some 3-team trade or some wild shit like that. Like one of those pitchers is gonna end up on the Yankees, and it's gonna be delicious. Oh, for all the Mets fans that are haters out there, like, because I respect Mets fans that don't
are haters.
Yeah. Well, shocker. I respect the Mets fans that like let Yankees fans rock and just like mind their business. Mm-hmm. Like, if you take joy in the demise of the Yankees as a Mets fan, you're
like, why?
Why?
It's like, why?
Why? Your team sucks, dog.
But then it's just like, on the flip side, because you got to hear both sides.
Yeah.
It's like, we kind of do that too. Yeah, we enjoy, like, we like watching the Mets, so it's not fair. You know what it is? Like, come on, that's kind of funny. I respect Mets fans because Mets fans are Mets fans in New York.
Or resilient.
Like, you know, they got to put up with dickhead Yankee fans everywhere. Like, you go to places, a Yankee bar. When's the last time you went somewhere and it's like a Mets bar?
But yeah.
You know?
They don't even got them shits in Queens.
They put up with a lot of shit. So shout out to y'all. And then it's like, you can't root against the Mets because it's like the organization is rooting against themselves.
Yeah, fam.
So it's like the Mets fans, they just want to win.
They're still recovering from Madoff.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, they're still like, oh, man. Like,
Madoff.
Hey. Like, if you say that shit to a Met fan, they might burst into tears. Like, all you got to say is, Bernie Madoff. They're like,
He's crying. Oh, shit. What happened to Paul Manafort's ostrich jacket? I want it. I want to buy it.
Is that on eBay?
I want. Oh, let me see.
Because when you do time like he's about to do.
He doing time on top of it. He just got busted he lied on the plea deal. Come on, you don't do that, fam. Yo, all these people getting arrested never watched The Wire. They don't know how none of this shit works. Takashi don't know about shit. Shout out to Treyway just talking recklessly on the phone.
Like,
nigga.
What are y'all talking? And then after they talk recklessly on the phone for like 45 minutes, they're like, "Yo, we shouldn't be talking on the phone." I'm like, dog, you already just indicted yourself on like 20 multiple counts of whatever the fuck.
Oh my god, we always talk. They don't listen to the podcast.
Not at all.
We
explain Rico to y'all motherfuckers. Be like, yo, when the feds come for you, they got you. They just coming. They're not coming to like investigate. They're just coming to collect you and put you in jail forever.
Yeah, they've had it for a while.
Yeah, like y'all are bugging.
That guy Shoddy, when the judge was like, "How do you plead?" He was like, "We don't break, we don't bend." It's Treyway.
That's a very quick way to get into prison.
Oh, excuse me. If I'm the lawyer, I'm like, nah, I need a new client. Fuck that.
Like, fuck this shit.
Nigga, there's two options. Guilty, not guilty.
Not guilty. Like,
don't be plugging shit right now.
Come on, B. Don't ad-lib. This ain't Curb Your Enthusiasm, fam. Like,
doing ad-libs behind his lawyers. Like, yo, my client plead not guilty. Not guilty.
Not guilty.
Bars. Boy. Can't see me in the cell.
Nah. Ba, 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 ba.
And then people was like, well, the transcript, they was like, well, he was never in a gang. Oh, there's a as they say in like jury rooms, there's a lot of damning footage of the young Daniel Hernandez.
Yes, there was. And it was provided by somebody who is very close
Livingston, put down the phone!
Livingston, stop recording!
Livingston!
I'm talking about doing a hit! Livingston, stop!
With the clicks!
Yo, it's so
Livingston,
crazy.
you're running up the web hosting!
But you know what's so funny? I find it I just
Mero's moments.
I just find it so like ironic, and you know, somebody said a long time ago, I forget who it was, but we were doing the show and you know, we were on TV and somebody that was on like a YouTuber was just like, they're not popping, they're whack. I make way more money than them. Like, they have no fans. They're washed. But when you zoom out and you look at the bigger picture, and we're sitting first row at Wilder Fury.
First row at Wilder Fury.
Getting sweat splashed on us.
Is that the nigga's blood?
Wearing floor-length minks.
Floor-length minks, the feds is watching.
And I just say to myself,
they said them niggas isn't popping. Them Showtime checks is popping.
Oh, wow.
Why are you indicted? Nigga caught a gun charge, I went away very mysteriously, and now niggas is getting Rico. And I wonder, how strong the brand is. The brand is so
Yo, Hamilton suck my dick.
Bodega Boys, they're genius, bros. Precious, you look wonderful today. Yeah.
Hey.
What are the podcasts giving you that?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yo, you know what I'm saying? You come for the door, you best not miss. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's right. We're playing the hardcore mode, nigga. Shout to Black Ops 4, still banging.
Yo.
I'm still playing that shit.
The Battlegrounds.
The Battlegrounds, but also they just added like new nighttime maps.
Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, boy.
But I be playing that shit like the Wild West Indian like father, because if you're on my team and you're not playing right, I'm scolding you through the mic.
Yo, what are you doing? What are you doing? You got to drop that. You got too many health kits. Stop that.
He was like this kid, like he was camping right in the spa ground. Like he was just standing, he went to the ground and was like, look, and I was like, what are you doing? Did you practice that?
Is that something you do every game? Huh? When?
But there's no, he had the mic off, so I just had my character like going up and down in front of him, like just moving the gun. And then some other kids, they came into the school. You know when you play squad against squad and you rank up, they were like, because each person, you can kill people on your team 3 times and you get kicked off. Yeah. And they decided they were going to suicide our whole team. So they're chasing me around trying to kill me. And they thought I was just going to take that shit. I had to chase down my whole team and I got killed 3 of them. I got banned. But they learned.
Listen, don't come for me unless I send for you.
Yo, all the enemies was like, yo, are they shooting at themselves? I was like, yeah, nigga. Just spawning like, bow.
Yo, that was the shit with the division too. Be like, you team up with somebody and you never know when they're gonna flip on you.
You take all your shit.
And take all your shit and like, just like, yo, it's just like builds an air of like uncomfortability. You know what I'm saying? And like defiance. Like, just, yo, it be your own man's.
Be your own man's. It be your own man's.
Yo.
Oh, wow. Oh. You know what? This bread, we're really popping. We're popping. We're popping to.
Oh, we popping.
Oh, we popping. Some would even say we have perhaps too much dip on said proverbial chip.
Oh, shit, player.
So don't forget. The Neo Yokio Christmas special is coming out. Starring your boy and starring who? Oh, excuse me. Woo. Wow.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about who's in this fucking show. Jason
Listen
Smith,
to this shit.
Jason Schwartzman, Rashida Jones, the Kid Mero, Angelica Kidjo, Richard Ayaji, Rowan Blanchard, Jude Law, Jamie Foxx, Susan Sarandon, Jesus Nice, Alexa Chung, Ray Wise, and Julian Bratt. Wow. I mispronounced half those names, but you know what? You know who those people are.
You know who they are.
Good. Listen,
don't act funny.
You come here for comedy or you come here for translation?
Come on, B.
Okay, I'm not fucking Alexa.
Just Google it.
All right, you get what it is.
Just go on IMDb.
Come on, I pronounced the K in coffee. What do you want?
Coffee.
Mero, why are you leaving me? Let's just have a coffee.
Let's have a coffee and talk in the chat.
I'm sorry, I really like you, but I can't break you out of the jail. Like, if I get arrested, who's gonna take care of Michael Anthony? That's right. That's that show on Showtime about shout out. Oh, what's the name of that show? It's about the prison break that just happened. Remember the shorty broke those 2 prisoners out of jail upstate?
What's that shit called? Is that what is that?
Dannemora. Escape at Dannemora. Dannemora. Yo, fam, because I was like, Showtime is the new show, so I was like, let me check this shit out. Yo, them niggas be having straight up sex on that shit. Because we're gonna be on Showtime, and Showtime was like, you could do whatever. You could do what the fuck ever.
Them niggas built a forest for these niggas.
Yo, they was having she was like boning some young inmate and shit, and the scene is so graphic, it made it onto X videos.
Wow.
So we're gonna have live Pino on our show.
Can't wait.
We're just gonna have 2 chicks eating each other out behind us. But then to balance it, we're gonna have another nigga giving toppy to another nigga. See? Balance.
See?
Balance.
There you go.
There you go. Then in the middle, we just have an asexual person I don't like this.
I don't like this.
Just have a grumpy cat and an asexual person this shit's whack.
I don't.
Sex is boring.
Boo. I have sex in my mind.
I have both genitalia and I don't use either.
I just turn around and be like, yo, go fuck yourself then. How about that?
Bada bing, bada boom.
Hey.
We're doing the full sellout. We're getting the big pinstripes and shit. I got an appointment with my dentist to get the
wild veneers.
My teeth gonna look like a stack of loose leaf paper.
Yo!
Wait till you see them shits. I'm gonna look like the Coco Helado. You know when they open the cart to scrape the shit? That's how my teeth are gonna look.
And it's funny because it's like,
Desus, you in pain? I'm like, I just can't close my teeth, nigga.
You can tell who did that shit. Like, so it's so obvious.
It just pops up.
It just is like so. Like, fam, nobody since Maxwell has had teeth this perfect. Like, fam, you're like when Tekashi did that fucking Breakfast Club interview. I was like, fam, your teeth are brand new. Like,
brand new. Like, that's not like
he didn't even take. You know when you get a cell phone and it got like the plastic on the screen
on it.
Like, this nigga didn't even take the plastic off his teeth. Like, what the fuck? Yo,
nigga still had the hologram on the shit. You're like, yo, excuse me, let me clip the tag. I was like, what is this, a medium? Yo, you can't be the only way you could possibly like pull off veneers is like you get them and you just lay low in your house for like 6 months
for mad long
and periodically put some shit on social media.
Yes.
Like, yo,
so niggas don't know.
Because the first time you like, yo, happy day.
Yeah.
First comment like, this nigga got veneers.
My pops got veneers, bro. At Daiana, I was just like, I could not stop laughing, bro, because he got the 2 chiclet teeth up front now, and I'm just like, oh my god. I'm like, fam, I used to be terrified of you, and now like you look like a Dominican like squirrel, nigga. Like, I can't call it me. Like, I love you, Papa. Yo.
A Dominican squirrel would be a fucking entertaining show. I'd watch this shit. I'm just imagining Sandy from SpongeBob when her Dominican cousin comes through.
I'm just trying to be a choppy mommy. I'm over here in bikini bottom. I take my bikini bottom off.
Manuel, you dirty dumb bag. Did you sneak a secret family into my treehouse?
The doodle blob comes out of nowhere like, Manuel,
there's Brugal all over my lab. SpongeBob and Patrick are coming over later. What are we gonna do? Just see like Mad Brugal in the water and shit.
And SpongeBob comes in, he's like, whoa, Delomeo personnel.
Come to the Krusty Krab where we have hookah. Krusty Krab Uptown? Mr. Krab is like, yo, I'm getting in on this Uptown shit. Come to the Krusty Krab at Inwood.
Yo, Dykeman is high, yo. We gotta get up there, yo.
Patty Krabby flavored hookah.
The Krabby Platano.
You come out with a Krabby Patty and like the waitress come with mad sparklers and shit.
Yo, what's good? Yo, this thing is spending. DJ Camilo gets on the mic. He's like, yo, niggas is spending big over there. Come in.
Oh, shit.
Yo, warning. This nigga is spending guap. Yo.
Squidward, like just call in like 311, like they're partying again.
Yeah, they're partying again.
It's a Wednesday.
I smell the hookah.
I don't think some of this hookah's not medicinal. Yeah, it's that place again, Locksmith. You know what it is.
Yeah. You know how they get it.
You know
how they give
it's the usual complaint. DJ Hasan's playing too many bangers. Yeah. You know my name.
Yo, son. Oh man. Switching gears.
But no, we should definitely open a Krabby Patty. We should open a SpongeBob themed bar at Uptown.
Especially since
Peralta, get on that. Design it.
Yeah, let's get it.
But he got to make SpongeBob wild Dominican. He has to have like the fade and the cut to the eyebrow and like the wild Dominican do-rag.
I feel like that art is already out there on an airbrush t-shirt. It's on an airbrush t-shirt.
It's just like Patrick with a gun. like, yo, Chinatario. Nigga got mad machetes and shit. Yo, Sandy Cheeks got the wild DR body. She got the wild big yeeks.
Nigga Plankton got the fucking Balmain shades with just one fucking shade.
Oh shit!
Yo, chill.
Mr. Krabs got mad fucking coke on the table and shit. He got the fucking Tommy gun like yo. He's like que lo que.
Yeah, papi le estamos lindo. Yo, homie that created this shit is like no. He's digging himself out his grave like no, chill. No, don't ruin my legacy.
No Dominican SpongeBob. Are you kids ready?
Hey! R.I.P.
Like,
to that dude. Are we gonna approach?
Under the seat.
So he lives in La Marina instead of Bikini Bottom.
He just comes out the water like So just grinding on them like
Nigga Nigga jumps off the yacht like, you are walking trophy. SpongeBob, you are walking trophy.
Give it up for SpongeBob.
Niggas start twerking.
You want to see like, do. SpongeBob, do the SpongeBob. Mad violations. We're gonna get all these cease and desist. Like,
Busted SpongeBob.
Security pat him down. He got like mad nutcrackers in all the holes and shit. SpongeBob a freak.
Yo.
He'd be like, spit in my holes.
Yeah, all my holes.
Spit in all my holes.
It's like straight Pino, like, fill all my holes.
Fill all my holes. Fill all my holes with your nasty Krabby Patty. Yeah. Okay. Did SpongeBob ever? Wait. No, they didn't have sex on that show.
Nah, right?
No.
Nah.
Because I was like, because I was like, yo.
Because there was a lot of like adult references.
There were, but they never was like doing Pino and shit like that. Because I feel like SpongeBob, if he had like banged the teacher, he could probably got his passport. He could have got his boat license.
Yeah.
Didn't
you know what I'm saying? You could have done gonzo porn with fucking Doodle Bob and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? But I nigga just stick a pen in his shorty ass. Like,
just drawing his dick bigger and bigger. It's not getting enough. Erases it, draws it bigger.
Yeah.
Mushroom, yeah. Mushroom, yeah. Hop on it like Mario, yeah.
Nigga's talking to his dick like, I brought you into this world and I'll take you out of it.
Yeah, that's what this podcast is about. We talked about Putin, we talked about Tekashi, now we're talking about cartoon dicks.
SpongeBob cartoon dicks.
Everyone's like, they're geniuses. That's right. We're making shirts that say finger pop in the Zeitgeist. That's our new terms. Yo. So we're doing it.
I love it.
Nasty.
Yo. It's funny. Shout out to all you basketball fans that are in our mentions talking about how the Knicks suck. That's the plan.
They're young. They're old. This is like some of those players. This is literally like their 10th game of basketball.
Ever.
Like, let them cook.
Let them. Like everybody on that team is 19 years old. Shout out to David Trisdale. You know what I'm saying? That's my guy.
Take that for data.
You know what I'm saying? He keeps shit on it all the time, and it's ill. Like I was bugging out because I was watching a game the other day.
Yeah.
And they won, but like. It was at Memphis, and that was like his former team.
Yeah.
So he was hugging all the players, and like
they dedicated the game for him.
Yeah, and you could tell like the team actually fucks with him.
Yeah.
Which is like mad bizarre as a Knicks fan, because I just remember Steph Marbury sitting on the bench when they were getting coached by Larry Brown, and Isaiah Thomas, and Steph just being like, man, fuck this nigga, man. I think I'm running my own play. And when Melo was in the huddle, it was just like, man, just give me the fucking ball.
Just came through and yoked it. ISO Melo.
ISO Melo, nigga, was good.
ISO Melo in the building.
Yo.
Yeah, I mean, the Knicks, they're entertaining to watch, and like,
they're fun to watch. That's all I care about.
Like, I'm not gonna get the people like, yo, the fucking who was they getting on the other night? Tim Hardaway.
Yeah.
Niggas, I'm like, yo, fam, relax. It's a long journey. Like,
come on, dog.
People have building fundamental. We already got him. Like, what are you beefing about?
It's crazy. And it's
Young Vic in the building.
Yeah.
He's getting hard drives, making it work.
Yeah.
But yeah, you know, what else happening today?
Niggas trying to get me for my cable.
Sir.
Now everybody getting shot. They ain't know I had the mop.
While we're in LA, be sure we're doing a live show at Pink Taco, so come through.
By live show, we mean we'll have our faces in a tray of tacos. We're drunk off our asses.
You know, when we go to LA, I don't really be getting excited over the weed.
Nah.
Because I'm like, you know what the thing is? We're not potheads. We're weed smokers. There's a difference.
Yeah.
There's a difference.
Potheads are just like, yo, I'll just smoke weed all day constantly. I don't leave my house.
A pothead is like, yo, look, I got a blunt the size of a canoe. Take a photo of me with it.
Oh, yeah, no.
All right, weed smokers are like, damn, I got mad anxiety.
Yeah, like, yo,
fuck, this ain't cool.
Oh, I feel better now. I can cope with life. All right, cool.
I go to this fucking job and shit.
All right, fuck it.
All right.
Oh, damn, I got to take all 4 kids to school today?
Right, I've never owned a Bob Marley poster.
Never. That's like pothead red flag number 1 and shit. Like,
all right. I've never used the term. I don't think I've ever non-ironically used the term 420. I've never texted someone like 420.
Yo, 420, bro.
Yo, you want chief? Like, no.
No.
Nigga, I bring my own blunt to your baby shower. Like, yo, who's ugly? Who's ugly, baby?
My fault.
Say word, I won't smack this ugly baby. Nigga, get blood on my Burberry shirt.
Yo. I mean, Burberry shirts are good for. They're good. They're not dry clean only. You could You know what I'm saying? I put it in a cold
with
cycle.
the fashion report.
You know what I'm saying?
Here comes the Baron of Bergen County.
That's right. Make it
the
work.
fashionista of Fairlawn. It is the Kid Mero, a.k.a. Joel Uncut.
Make it
Joel,
work.
what are some of the fashions you're seeing this January in Jersey?
Must-haves for fall include capris for men.
Whoa.
Flip-flops with fur on them.
Whoa.
And then some other random shit that I'm going to make up in about 10 minutes and tell you.
To quote the late prophet Jeezy,
Call me the finesse god.
oh, shit. Shit's sad.
Sad. Terrible. But you know what it is not sad? This podcast is huge.
It's wonderful. People
It's huge.
enjoy it.
It's big league.
Shout out to all you people listening to this and like trying to work out and dropping the weight on your face.
Yo, that is like an epidemic. Being like so many people have said
People
that.
do it and other people don't take the warning.
Fam.
Don't do it. Don't,
Like,
lift,
yo, fam.
don't lift weights and don't. You know what's lit? If you're having a baby, listen to this podcast where you're having a baby.
Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah, that's
That's
baby.
dope.
We'll help
Yeah.
you with the pain. Like, go ahead, breathe.
Go ahead, breathe. Go ahead, right
Breathe.
now. We're gonna do it. Go ahead, breathe.
We trying to help you, Ma.
You got a contraction coming?
All right.
All right. Now I'm gonna hold your knee back. Now push.
Come on, Ma. You right there.
You right there.
You
You right there. I see the baby's head. He's crying.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I need help.
Push. You can do this. You got this.
I need help.
You
Come
got
on.
this. You got this.
I'm like,
You
come
got
on,
this.
Ma. You right there.
Yeah,
You right there.
you dilated like a garage door.
Doctor's like, give her a little extra. Give her a little extra to make her go. I'm like,
Come on, Ma. Get him.
come on.
Get him.
2, 3. Come on, Ma.
Yeah. Push it.
Come on, Ma.
Get that shit.
Let's go.
Do that shit.
Come on, Ma.
Get it to him.
You right there.
Yeah.
Yo, I see the baby's dick.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Bring that life into this world. That's right. What? Yeah.
All the nurses like rocking their heads and shit. Everyone got on like fucking tails. Like, yeah, this real hip hop, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
I love this shit.
They ignoring the baby. Baby come out with the quarter on his neck like, yo, I need help.
I can't breathe.
Yo,
Yo, that baby got the baby lungs. It fucked up the cipher.
yo, can y'all put me in a
That
warmer?
nigga coughing. Give me the blunt, little nigga. I think every podcast we've done a joke about babies, like being born and shit, and needle units.
Shout out to all my neonatal nurses. You know what I'm saying? You do a very important job. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all nurses.
You're a nurse. You make a difference. Shout out to nurses. Nurses doing shit.
Y'all are more important. I'm gonna give a fuego take and say that y'all are more important than doctors.
That's not a fuego take because I said that first. Don't try to get credit from nurses, nigga.
Right. Let me tell you what's good.
Or everybody behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? Not just the motherfucker, the old white dude that comes in with the lab coat and it's like, yeah, and looks at your chart and then walks out and doesn't say 2 words to you. Give props to fucking, you know what I'm saying? All my nurses out there with the Crocs, you know what I'm saying? All my phlebotomists.
Shout out to all my illegal nurses that, you know what I'm saying, you work in like Astoria or Jackson Heights.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You doing like, you pulling teeth with pliers.
You know what I'm saying?
Using the same hypodermic needle for the butt shots as you're doing for the flu
For the
vaccine,
Novocaine
you know
and
what
shit. I mean, yeah.
I'm supposed to buy mad needles?
Okay.
Oh, they're disposable to you.
No, I microwave my shit.
Shit.
She microwaved the needle, shit was all melted into
You can just clean the shit with the fucking water pick.
She's in the same baby bottle brush she used for her kids to clean the fucking needle.
Nasty. Nasty.
Disgraceful.
Disgraceful and
We are
disgraceful.
nasty boys.
Nasty.
All of my little nasty boys. All my little
Oh yeah, that was like that was when
nasty boys.
that was when Bad Boy was just remixing shit. That didn't
Yeah,
really-
they were like, "Yo, Biggie's dead. How can we like monetize this?" They're like, "Yo, throw Jagged Edge on a Biggie verse."
Did you see? You know what? Since the show is no longer here, we're gonna have Mero read a Donald Trump tweet because this has to be read in his voice.
Oh my God. Oh, I get it. I am a very good developer, happy living my life. When I see our country going in the wrong direction, to put it mildly, against all odds, I decided to run for president and continue to run my business. Very legal and very cool. Super cool. Totally rad. I talked about it on the campaign trail. ...
That's very cool.
Very cool.
Like he got sunglasses and a skateboard. Like,
Yo, hello, my fellow youth.
yeah. Watch me turn this 360. Tony Hawk has nothing on me.
Yeah, I
Watch me glade the cube.
I watch mid-90s garbage.
Yeah. Did you ever Dreamcast? You ever play 720?
Cool board is just my shit.
Yo, I've been skateboarding for a long time. I had the NES. I used to play Skate or Die.
Yo, niggas said Skate or Die. Yo, when you crash through the fence, shit, and keep it moving.
Oh my God, Skate or Die. Your board could break and shit. Yo,
shout out to Skate or Die, bro.
Oh man, it's a wash reference. Remember, every time we use a wash reference, we donate to charity.
That's right.
And by charity, I mean ourselves.
That's right.
We donate to underprivileged children from the Bronx.
Such as mine.
Us. Remember, Skate or Die used to have the screen that the guy was like, "Yo, have you done your homework first?" And you like, "Yeah, listen, Skate or Die was like,
Yo, that shit was super popping.
have you done your homework first?"
Yeah, it was like the purple mohawk.
Yeah. Oh man,
that shit was wild stereotypical.
And you think about when you were a kid, like NES graphics, you were like,
yo,
they ain't never gonna top this shit.
Nah,
nigga, is that a mushroom?
Yo, I'm shooting a gun from mad far away, and I'm shooting
my nigga, a fire flower just came out that box I hit.
Yo,
I'm out of here.
What? Yo, the dog is laughing. Yo, that's crazy.
It's a gun, but it shoots lights, aka a light gun.
Yo,
the zapper.
Fam, when they dropped the power glove.
Here's a hot take. The power glove was just to get us used for the power glove was just to get people used to build up your muscles for masturbation.
Yeah, it's true.
Cause that shit was like 50 pounds.
Yeah, it was.
I remember I was trying to play Rad Racer and I was like, my arm was like, nigga, why do you have the fucking Infinity Gauntlet on? This shit is heavy as shit, Thanos.
Yo, I'm like, yo, what games can you use this shit for? Like, because
every other game was like, you were milli rocking. Yeah. You're doing a one-hand milli rock, like.
The only game I ever had for that shit was called Glove Ball.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
You grab the shit, you gotta like break the shit. Boop, boop. It's like fake handball,
fake paddleball and shit. Here's a hot take from Desus de Fuego, sponsored by Jacoby and Myers. If you need legal representation, Jacoby and Myers is there.
Crazy Spanish,
Crazy Taxi, and crazy is an ableist term, but Crazy Taxi was just to prepare us to all be Uber drivers.
Yes.
I feel like they made it, and they were like little kids, like get used to this and think it's whimsical, and it got put into like our subconscious. Yeah. So that's why you sign up for Uber drivers. Like, why does it feel so familiar?
Yeah.
Also, if you remember Crazy Taxi, those passengers would ask you to drop them off in the middle of fucking anywhere.
Anywhere, bro. They're like, yo, drop me off on some train tracks.
Yeah. Oh, so you're going to the third rail.
Okay. And like they encourage you to drive more recklessly.
They're like, hey, don't stop for the light.
Fuck that. Yo, hit this ramp.
Let's make a new. We gotta make a
360.
A new Crazy Taxi called Crazy Uber.
Crazy Dollar Van.
What are you, pussy? Go in the left lane. Just get a little death. Come on, that's an old car. It's made of iron. Just broadside them.
It's mad different characters and shit. Like Trevor the Dollar Van driver and shit. Like Gus the cab.
Pick me.
Yo, I'm Mamadou the cab driver. Yo, I'm Trevor the Dollar Van driver.
Wataguan. Pick me. I'm Dominican.
Yo, papi, I have a Lincoln Town car. I can drive it in the snow.
And they have unlimited Uber pool. As many passengers as you can fit into it. You just drive around like 36 passengers and shit. Crazy Uber.
Yo, this man. Yo, I was.
One person like, take me to Jersey. And it's like, boo, 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 boo. You lost.
Time's up.
It's like you're driving when the passenger's like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Like a little meter shows up, and you gotta like, keip the car steady so they don't throw up. Like, the vomit meter. Your controller starts shaking. Like,
oh shit. All right, stabilize.
Keep it stable. You gotta pause it. Like, oh fuck.
Yo, fuck. I got one power up. I'm gonna use it.
A couple starts having sex in the back, and your driver can't concentrate.
You start looking in the rear view and shit. Oh wow.
It's the hot coffee shit. Yo, you had to be a freak to watch the GTA people fuck.
Oh man.
But we all did it.
I mean,
fuck it. You know?
Remember,
hot
what
coffee.
was the first one that had the strip club? Was it?
That was Vice City. Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, yo.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, you could go to.
Get the little lap dance, and all the fucking strippers had square booties.
Yeah, you have to like press the right shit, or else like shorty be like, ew.
And their dance was just like, they were just like moving in front of you and shit, and just see the money coming out of you. He was like, fuck this, and just pull out the gun and shoot her. And now you are at war with all the security at the strip club. Which isn't fair, because when you get out, the cops are waiting for you.
Yeah.
How many times the GTA was you just like, oh fuck it, I'm bored. So now I'm killing everybody.
Yeah.
That's all GTA is.
It is, yeah. Like, yo, you try a mission twice, and if you fuck it up twice, you're like, yo, fuck it, I'm gonna just do this.
Just kill everybody, turn the shit off.
Yeah, fuck it. Just shoot down 10 helicopters.
GTA has probably saved a lot of lives because a lot of people went on there to get their frustrations out rather than kill people in real life.
And it's crazy because I'm sorry. It's wild. I've been telling my wife, she's like, yo, I don't like the kids playing Fortnite. Like, it's violent, it has guns and shit like that. And I'm just like, yo, like, this is probably preventing violence.
School shootings and shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, Fortnite has the wild cartoony graphics.
Yeah,
so
like
you gotta play that Call of Duty shit. Like, niggas, yo, fam, I shot a nigga in Call of Duty, and the nigga was just like, because you don't immediately die, but you have to press. It's not like the all other Call of Duties where you regenerate automatically. You have to press a button to heal yourself. Yeah. So if you don't heal yourself, you're just kind of like moaning and dying at this corner.
And somebody can just run up on you and be like, pow!
So one of my teammates got shot, and like he's in the corner, he's like, ugh. And
you hold the button and like to slow the bleeding and shit.
He didn't press the button, and I'm trying to like snipe someone. He's like, "Fuck! Oh, I got shot! Motherfucker! It's cold." I'm like, "Nigga, press the button." He's like, Always knew it would end like this. Bars closing. Where we going to for dinner? Always knew they're gonna put me in Frank funeral home.
Fam, it's true though. Like I don't got a problem with my kids playing Fortnite because there's no like blood and guts and shit like that.
Right.
It's mad cartoony. But like my man was like, yo, download Last of Us for PlayStation 4. I was like,
I've seen you tweeting about that.
Yeah,
that's a good game right there.
Yo, I was like, this game is incredible. Everyone was like, yo, welcome to 2013. I was like, nigga, I just got a PlayStation.
You can't shame niggas. If people got lives and shit is popping, you can't shame them for getting video games late.
Like, come on, my nigga. Like,
you know what I'm saying?
Like, I don't got, like, I'm not, actually, I am subscribed to Game Informer now because, like, it came with the.
Game Informer.
Yeah, it came. Informer, you know, video game.
Like, your boom boom down. Me not fuck with no Informer. No Game Informer. No Takashi Informer.
No.
All Game Informer is just Livingston on the cover. Livingston! Them niggas ain't popping.
Yo.
Narrator's voice.
Yeah.
They were.
They actually were popping, and their trajectory was the polar opposite of his.
It's Goody Mob. Sky high! Sky high! Nah, we kid. Everything in here, everything said on this podcast is in love.
Is in love.
In love,
is
peace,
jest.
and happiness.
You know what I'm saying? Love, peace, and happiness.
Not really, but you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's the allegedly for the podcast.
Listen, it can be smoke.
If you really want some smoke, you can pull it, you can get it.
We just got to do like the gospel shit. Like, these Mero, it could be smoke if you want smoke, but Jah won't save your ass. These niggas wanna die. Go against the brand. These niggas wanna die. Go against the brand. These niggas wanna die. We got the loud choir and shit. Also, for our next live show, we are stealing Travis Scott's set. We're gonna have the Astroworld, the roller coaster and shit.
All that shit.
We're gonna have that.
We're just sitting in that shit mad slow, like, yo.
We're gonna have a big butt on the stage, and like it's gonna constantly be like. That's how we come out on stage, like, yo.
I was sweating to the pussy, but I drowned in the.
And then, like, also for the next live show, we're gonna splash the audience with Dr. Bonners.
Yeah, we gotta start
with no water. Yeah,
we gotta like add like
Gallagher. The new Bodega Boys show is gonna be a 3D experience. It's gonna be like Captain EO.
Yeah, like Blue Man Group, Bodega Boys, Captain EO, all that.
Like if we do some shit about like, yo, if you have like a baby and shit, we're gonna throw mad fucking like embryonic fluid into the crowd and shit. Yeah,
just mad glass jars of Gerber, like mad hard into the crowd, like, yo, catch your shit.
Yeah, concussed, like,
oh shit, thank you, this is chicken.
It's strained peas.
Oh, thank you, appreciate
my guy.
It. Yeah, Halloration.
Ew. Yeah. He hit me with carrots.
They're pureed.
These niggas gonna talk. I'll be like, what if he was in a room full of babies? They'll be like, wah. They'll be like, wow, it feels like there's real babies in here. They look under the seats. We got real toddlers strapped underneath the seats.
And it's no babies. It's just little baby. He's like, bitch, I'm a baby. Wah.
That's right. Fuck little baby. Come on, I got my new guy on my block, MC Zygote.
MC Zygote.
All right. My chromosome didn't even split yet.
You know what I mean? We got my DJ Nick, you on the 1 and 2s.
Okay. I'm only 10 weeks old. I get cold, put me back in the incubator.
Yo, I got tubes in my nose, nigga. What's up?
They gotta use gloves when they touch me. I got a little hat made of yarn.
Yeah.
We are assholes. The problematic light is.
It's not like it's just.
The problematic light is the problematic. Come on. It just says girls, girls, girls. It's actually women, women, women.
That's right.
We gotta recreate that to make it super problematic. It's gonna say females, females, females.
Females with a brolic ankh on top, like baby receptacle.
Oh shit! This is popping, man.
Oh god!
What more you want? The Blasio is proud of the streets.
Fuck out
Price of salt went up.
Come on, man.
Come on,
10
nigga.
bands fucking week, nigga.
Oh, yeah.
I went to Lowe's, niggas ain't even had this shit, man. Niggas is so loud.
Shout out to the homie Earl. Just dropped another album.
Yes,
You know what I'm saying?
Sweatshirt, the God,
He's out here.
lyrical genius.
Never had a chance to get him on the show. If only we had another. Oh, we do got another show.
Oh,
Also, shout out to the finesse team, Christina,
Yes.
Victoria, Victor, and everyone.
You know what I'm saying?
Cause we still got that name. It's still Desus and Mero. We didn't have to pick some wacky new name like.
yeah, like oh.
The other name was gonna be the Laugh Factory with Daniel and Joel.
That sounds like some shit your mother would bring you. Like, you want to go to this? It sounds like fun.
I don't want to go to that. That sounds like the Wild Hebrew Academy. Hey, boys and girls, I'm Shlomo the Clown.
Hi.
He's like blowing bread into fucking balloons.
Niggas making halibut French toast and shit. Like, oh my god, we love it. Excuse me, you can't take out. You can't take God's name in vain. Yo. I'm ready, snitches.
Hey, boys and girls, it's your boy, Benzo the Clown. I'm hooking up with your boy, Shlomo the Clown, to
Hey.
offer a half price. I don't want to go to a party where Shlomo the Clown and Benzo the Clown. Someone's dying for you. That's what you got for your bar mitzvah?
What do you want? What is it? Shlomo, what is the talk, bro?
And what's the deal with opioids and clowns? Look, this guy, he can barely keep his eyes open.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. I brought you along here.
Jonathan, is this your bar mitzvah? Your
Where?
parents must have done well for them. Look at the size of this house. How many square feet is this?
Yeah.
This is fucking wonderful. Oh, this is beautiful.
It's 10,000 square feet. I've been casing it for a week.
Benzo?
Yeah.
Benzo!
Oh, did I say that out loud?
Chase you
Fuck.
mad pills drop out your pocket. Did I slip on them?
And it's all like the family's pill cabinet and shit. Like, why did you steal my Bayer, nigga? Like, this shit's not gonna get you high, dog. Like,
Fuck you, that's why. No, if you don't mind, I'm gonna get smacked off this Motrin.
that's right.
Yeah.
I took half a Motrin.
Yeah.
I was out like a light.
Right. Who here's taking estrogen replacement therapy because I got nipples
I
now.
got nipples now. Like,
Yeah.
damn, my breasts are enlarging.
These pills are great, my pussy's wet. Benzo!
What are you doing?
Benzo, I can't believe you did this at Michael Anthony's bar mitzvah. That's when Marco Anthony takes one pill. It's like, what is this? It's like,
Whoa.
it's like the wild guitar chord behind him, like, narrator's voice. Michael Anthony's life was never the same.
Good.
Little boy, don't take that pill. You end up like a road like me.
No, don't do it.
Don't do it. Michael Anthony, you have a lot to live for.
You want to be like me when you grow.
Michael Anthony.
But I think you're cool.
Michael Anthony, listen. I live in a van.
Vans are awesome. I love vans.
It's a fresh direct van. I stole it. There's kale in the back. I eat jutes. You want that?
yeah.
Stay in school. Don't end up like me, a piece of shit.
No, you look super cool. I love clowns.
Michael Anthony, you're a clean cut guy. Listen, you could end up on like.
Give me that fucking pill.
You could be the Pride of Staten Island. You
Give
could
me
be
the pill.
like Pete Davidson. Or
If
some
I
shit.
take this pill, will I be like you?
No, you're gonna be. Yeah, you're gonna be.
I'm definitely. He naps whenever he wants.
Yeah.
He can nap whenever he wants. I'm definitely taking these pills. Give me these fucking pills. Yeah. Awesome.
I can't feel my heart.
3 hours later. Hey, fuck you, Mom. Me and Benzo are going on the road.
Who the fuck is this kid? Oh my God, you took the pills.
Hey, remember wrestling Doink and Dink? I think we could do like something like that.
How'd you age 20 years in like, oh God, 3 o'clock?
Oh, fuck. We got another gig tonight?
Mike went to get in the car. We gotta finish these fresh directions.
All right, let's go, bro.
You got a fresh spike?
Do I got to...
Do you even know what a spike is? This kid, Jesus.
I think
Hey,
I
lady, you got a hypodermic needle me and your son got.
I found one on Victor.
Oh my God, you're doing drugs with my son? I hired you for his birthday party and this is... Mike went to get in your
Mom,
shower.
shut up, you fucking cunt.
You're 15, don't talk to me like that.
Fuck you.
You know what? I'm taking away your PS2.
Give me, I don't care. It's a PS4's out, stupid bitch. I fucking hate you. All the kids at school make fun of me because I'm playing fucking Twisted Metal and they're playing Spider-Man in 4K HD.
It was Twisted Metal Black. It was 20% off.
Shut up, you fucking cunt.
What about the clown?
And you turned in my games, you only got $3 back.
That's not me. That's the GameStop policy. I don't.
Well, fuck you and fuck GameStop. I'm going on the road with Benzo.
The Michael Anthony Story coming to theaters July 24th
to the Hallmark Channel.
Just one pill, y'all. Remember they used to try to scare us at school? It was like, yo, if you smoke crack one time, you're hooked. Like the Fugees. One time. Everyone was like, yo. Like, they was like, don't look at crack. Don't think about crack. Don't smoke crack. Someone's walking past you and you smell crack. Don't hold your breath.
Yo, put your pants up so you don't show your crack. You know what I'm saying?
Let me tell you, you can smoke lots of crack.
You can smoke lots of crack.
You can smoke crack.
Yeah. I learned that from a girl that I went to high school with who was literally the only white girl in my high school.
Yeah.
Which was astounding because there was like 5,000 kids in my school.
Yeah.
But like, we went to a party.
She brought out the krills.
And she went into the bathroom with her homegirl. And it was like a funny smell coming out the bathroom. I'm like, that don't smell like no bud.
That ain't bud.
And
that ain't
went
weed.
in there, and they was in there
Damn
with
niggas smoking krills.
Straight krills.
Sponsored by krills.
Sponsored by krills. They was in there with the devil's dick, just going hammer. You know what I'm saying? But they were like regular. Like they didn't have like sores on their face and nothing like that. Like they wasn't like
recreational crack.
Yeah, that's
RC.
wild.
That's what you think the RC and RC Cola stands for. Because the C can't stand for cola.
That shit don't taste like no cola.
Okay, I'll let y'all know.
You drink that shit.
Okay,
nigga.
RC Cola stands for recreational crack cola. It's Mountain Dew for urban people.
Yo, god damn. Yo, shout out to David Fisdale, B. I like that guy.
Take that for data.
You know what I'm saying?
For David
That's
Trisdale,
very
we gotta get a bunch of hard drives and put them inside Madison Square Garden and just crush them.
Yeah. It's just with the steamroller
Just crush
and have him
them.
drive the shit. Like, yo, take that for data. Fuck your data.
Like C. Dolores Tucker, that bad motherfucker. Why would she start a war about like censorship knowing her name rhymes with fucker? Like,
Come on, like you're asking for it.
Dolores Tucker, you a motherfucker. All right, Tupac, calm down.
Like that bitch, Barbara Walters.
Barbara Walters like, oh my god, I got his reference.
What? Why?
Speaking of reference, shout out to Black Thought who has mentioned the brand.
That is right.
On a new track.
He's a lyrical. He has a reason to rebel. Like
All the way
Jesus tomorrow.
5
You know what
from
I'm
the 215.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Shout out to Black Thought. Shout out to we play that site. You know this gang.
Yeah.
I made a playlist of all the songs that have referenced us, and it's 2 songs.
Yeah, so far we
So shout out to him and Wale.
Shout out to Wale, shout out to Black Dog.
You too can reference us in a song and get on the playlist.
You know what I'm saying? But you can't be a song killer rapper.
You gotta be popping.
You gotta be
like
popping.
no unsigned niggas.
Yeah.
Don't listen. If I swear to God, if you shoot a video in the back of a bodega in Trenton or Patterson, and you mention us, I will find you and I'll hunt you down and block you.
Fam, I will drive up and down 10th Avenue all night and find you and slash your tires.
10th Avenue in
Patterson.
Nah.
Yeah, no, 10th Avenue over here is like.
Is Fetty Wap and Angel are the mayors of Patterson? Angel Diaz from Complex?
Yeah, definitely Angel D. Angel got.
Oh my God, it's the fly from Vice. He came through.
Shit, nigga came
Ah,
got
back.
that motherfucker.
The gang is back.
He's like, hey guys, what's up? I missed you.
He was up going to Showtime. I'm a fly. Watch me.
Niggas taking up 30% of the budget. It's the salary. He's like, don't worry, I'll only be alive for 2 more days.
I'm just a basaltant. That's terrible. It's terrible. I'm sorry.
Yo,
Sorry, I apologize. I apologize.
Nah, shout out to Angel. You know what I'm saying? He's
He
like
keeps Patterson on the map.
Yeah, like
That's
he's
right.
repping that shit.
As you have to. You got to
know what I'm
rep where you're from.
That's right.
Because if where you're from, where I'm from, then you should know that I got to get mine in a big back truck. You can get yours in a 6'4". Whatever it is, the party's underway. That song was lit as fuck, and it was about there not being a drive-by.
Yeah.
All the gangbangers forgot about the drive-bys.
Everybody's like, yes!
Here's a question. Was the drive-by scheduled? Was a party that lit that niggas like, nah, let's not kill them niggas.
Let's not
kill them the dance floor, nigga.
Yeah. Yo, instead of shooting, let's dance battle. That's like the premise of every like Chris Brown movie.
Yeah.
Yo, instead of killing each other, let's have a dance battle, save the community center.
Nigga twerking on a girl and his Apple Watch is like, gangbang in 15 minutes. Like, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Not gangbang, drive-by.
Drive-by, damn.
There's a difference.
Yo, there's a big difference.
When I was younger, I was like, gangbang is like when a gang drives by and you're like, no.
And they bang on you.
If a gang drives by and hits you up, that's a different gangbang than a drive-by, right? That's the front page of X and XX. For my people just out of jail or have limited data plans.
You know what I'm saying?
Not trying to have all the weird ads on the side.
Yeah, that's right. Shout out to Sandra Romaine.
Or trying to get the fucking bluepill.com. Discreet ED pills delivered right to your door.
Yo.
I'm like, what? I'm like, nigga, this ain't right. What kind of pills is these?
What is this shit?
These niggas selling you blue Skittles.
Yo.
Nigga having mad Smarties in bed and shit. Coming to your girl like, I don't know, I can't get it up.
I'm like, yo.
Say something sexy.
The crazy shit about that whole shit is that, like, yo, it's wild easy to, as a dude, to like get like reproductive whatever the fuck. You can get the shit in the mail.
You get it in the mail.
You can just type in your prescription on the internet.
Yes.
Yo, but fucking motherfuckers is about to be like, yo, did you not want to have a baby right now? Is it not in your future plans?
Oh, you want
fuck you?
You want the plan B? Okay.
Oh,
we will deliver your plan B to Oregon, nigga.
Motherfucker.
Get a dog. Get out there. How you feel?
Cornball.
They're like, yo,
shit is $800 now.
Oh, you had unprotected
Good luck.
sex? You want the morning after pill? Okay, we have an appointment at 3:00 in St. Louis. Go.
Go, hurry.
You got a Southwest ticket? Run to the gate, run.
Get more cameraman is chasing you and shit. Like,
Wait, I'm thinking now. If there's no market for that, should we start selling to your door plan B and because we care.
Yeah,
we care.
That's not a bad idea.
We're selling box.
Yeah,
products for your box. Well, I feel like women are. Please don't refer to my pum pum as a box.
This is my
pum box.
Girl in the pum pum box.
When you open it, that's what it says. Girl in the pum pum box. Oh my god, artisanal tampons. Girl in the pum box.
Tampons been out of Fronto.
I can use them and roll them.
Yeah.
What other things do women need? They need
rights. Autonomy. Agency.
Wow. The women are telling us what they need and we're like, yeah, okay. You know what?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to give you the Lifetime Network where women are constantly getting killed by men and she's terrified of them all the time. How you feel?
There you go.
Enjoy
Cool.
that.
Enjoy.
Now stay in your house and watch that all weekend. And try to be normal on Monday.
Yo.
After you watch they're like, yo, my dog killer tried to kill me.
Yo.
My plumber tried to kill me. Guess who tried to kill me? My super.
My super tried to kill me.
Yo,
this shit is crazy.
My Roomba tried to kill me. Roomba just coming in the room like,
yo.
Hi, Roomba. Oh. Roomba's like, hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark. Oh, hi, Mark. I did not kill her. I did not.
Wake up and the Roomba's at the bottom of the bed. Like, just eating the duvet and shit. Like he's like doing the
trying
shit.
to climb up the bed and shit. Like.
Shit to the wife from The Shining with a knife. Like
shit is like trying to slowly move the pillow over to your face. Like
all vacuum and no play makes Roomba a bad boy.
Here's Roomba. Nigga just slides under the door.
Back into the bathroom door. The Roomba's chasing him around in the maze at the end. And then just with
the little flickery things coming around.
And at the end you just see the fucking Roomba just frozen with Jack Nicklaus. It's like must-charge battery.
Must-charge battery.
Mischarged battery.
Please dock me.
Showtime's like, so we gave you money to just remake The Shining with a Roomba? I was like, yeah. Never was like, fuck this.
15 million. Let's get it.
Never pull out the big 4 or 5 from his desk. Like, oh, fuck this. I'm gonna do what the Mets general manager won't. Close the door. We come out with mad blood on us. Like, yeah, this nigga tried to backfire that shit on us.
Yeah, he tried it.
Try that shit.
Tried it.
Nigga, I ain't Ray Donovan. All right. Go to that nigga's desk. He got billions.
And
right.
he's shameless.
Let's get out of here. Let's find some smurfs. Oh, man.
Yo,
most
God
dangerous
damn.
podcast in the world. My armpits are wet, and so is my poom poom because we've been finger popping the Zeitgeist again. We're getting out on t-shirts. I want to make people uncomfortable. I want you to be on a train or the T as they call it in Boston and have a shirt that says finger popping the Zeitgeist. And people be like, what the fuck is
what
that?
does that mean?
Because it's the new motto of the most brolic brand in the world, the most dangerous podcast in the world, episode 136.
Ooh.
Bodega Boys in the building. It's been your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle. Also, I could be Young Dos Toros. You know what I'm saying? They got a couple other locations. I had some this week. Shit's popping, and I didn't get like E. coli.
And they showed love from day one.
Yeah.
We were doing very not great shows.
I mean, they showed love, but also, again, the big part was I didn't get E. coli. So, I mean, I love them.
True.
Hey, Pocket staying fat like Tineo, a.k.a. Pocket stay fat like, here we go.
Hey, happy time.
We gotta jump in the air and freeze. Like,
you gotta throw the hook in. Hooray! Behind that shit.
Chris Stafford, Eli Lippy, Butchers Gully, somebody that might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Frigga, Mr. Nando's with a round, Cuatro, and whoever, Mikhail going up to 2 hours, MC, look, Gunga P.
My God.
I'm a good soup.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Putting up for 40.
With your shorty switch.
With your shorty right here. I'm putting up with your shorty under my arm on the court.
And shoot a 40.
And they're like, that's 6 men on court. That's 6 men on the court. AK, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you, and I'm under mad pressure because Uber was like, my car didn't go through for the last day, so I might just have to do a tuck and roll on the BQE. Like, here we go. Pocket's like, here we go. Just get run over by mad trucks. I was like, ha, you get my $8.
RPB roll you.
The reason why plus one guy, plus one don't make a fuss like no one that's gone against LeBron has ever survived. Did Rossi and the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocados, Young Pazza goes Mufasa, Young Shakuni without the what? Coonery. Let's put away the blackface, you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to do the Drake cover. Like, yo. AK Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Carol okay. Yeah, out there, Bryce Harper, a lot of money.
He a white person, so I don't know if he want to go to Diamond with us.
Yeah, that's a clown statement, bro.
Okay, I mean,
you know what I'm saying? Hey, 3 phone jokes. Jesus check. Jesus mocking the J Chuck Stanley Cup to human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Third time, dilute. Do you know how to trap yo, Mr. 240p? Because I like my Pinot.
How?
The way I like my women.
How?
Blurry.
Yeah.
How do you like your women blurry? I don't know. But
I took my contacts out.
Damn.
Yeah, not everybody's blurry. I gotta send my everywhere.
Take your glasses off while you're having sex, man. Now you're confused. She's like, where are they? Don't put them on the bed. You're gonna crush them. They're very expensive. I got them for lens crafters. That's right.
Yo.
Take that dick, you blind bitch. All right.
That's a Helen Keller story.
That's a Wesley Pipes line. It's not the Wesley Pipes, the God who told me at an early age the best way to have sex is with Tim's. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. This goes out for my people across the pond. Up next, we got Whom.
Oh, man.
Mero never heard of this group. It's called JLS.
Oh, my God. Oh, I feel it. Oh, is this Garage?
It's not. Hold on. Hold on, ma. I slipped out. Or a far off place. See, when you get sent away on punishment to England, this is the kind of music you spend your summer listening to.
Are these dudes all just Craig David's sons?
For the record, all of England is Craig David's sons. Okay?
He's like, I'm from the county council that birthed this fucking house garage shit.
I'm from the murder council where we murder for property. Yo, the Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion.
Yeah.
My heart will go on, so will my Timbs. The Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain.
No.
Look at me. Put me in an isosceles triangle. Put me in 90 degrees.
You know what I'm saying?
Angle. Put me with an obtuse angle.
Put him in an airtight mason jar. He's getting out.
I'm getting out. Getting out.
You can't contain.
Cops can't cuff me. I got diplomatic immunity. Give me Meme word the jaw. Young Aaron, the racer provocateur. That's right. When you see me playing Uno, I might come through and be like, race card, nigga.
Woo! I win.
I just find it funny how Kaepernick should be playing, but he kneels. But now we're putting women beaters back on the NFL. I'm going to hang up and listen. Things that make you go,
There's a couple, and there's a couple of starting quarterbacks out there that are absolute trash. So
Eli Manning right now is like nervous. He's doing the safari, eating a leaf gift. Fuck that. Fuck Mero. I'm going to Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh, shucks.
Henrik Bloodcoast, Nelson Bangdella. I'll bang on you. That's right. I've been locked up for years and I'm coming home to that pussy. Sergio can't see me. Coming soon, man. Called Dangdella. Our fucking Mandela porn.
Mandigodella.
Winnie, I am home.
I am home.
I am home.
To beat the pussy up.
Beat the pussy up. Beat the pussy up. Beat the pussy up. Beat the pussy up. Beat the pussy up.
Hey, bitch. Where do you see my dick?
I'm about to apartheid them butt cheeks.
Oh no!
Serge, you can't see. Man, we buffing. They gotta have sex in the prison. Like she's holding on to the bar. All right, we went too far.
All right.
You remember what? No tiki your mouth. Mr. Bex, I'll take it to Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, more Sage Chestnut, Muhammad Gambi, Not Maccabee Burger, got to Cucumber.
Yo.
You're suppressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it.
Damn.
The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova. We made cents, 5 cents, $10. Forget these small change.
What you need? What you want?
Big money, wine.
Right.
We're also gonna make a new coin star that just plays that when you put money in. You get no money, and we keep 70% of the money you put in. But we play a song.
But you get a cool song.
You put the money in, it's like do 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 do. Thanks for coming.
Bring your own ladder.
Yeah. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Saga, catch me at square one top left.
You know what I'm saying? Don't
Nance
choose
is
me, bro.
Marv. Churros of the holy cow. Mr. Saw Pawns, because all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Woo.
We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda and it's me, Sunny D. David, man. These expensive. These is red. These is blood.
Oh.
You know what it is. You know, let's check out the sneaks. Smoking Noah, Andrew Hoonan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, upon me, charge
sit on it, charge on it, yo.
Charge and pon
This accessory is not supported.
Oh, that definitely sounds like a dancehall thing. Can't handle it. Call me Petco because I got you bitch on free.
Yeah.
Top of the gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. You know what it is?
He's been in some things.
You know what it is? Yo, you got a problem? You got a problem? Coward, get out the quiet car and fight me in Babylon.
Yeah, that's right. Let's fight at the bar car, nigga.
I got a split ticket. AKA Grandpa Joker, when you see me, you see Charlie. You know what I'm saying? Don't touch that golden ticket. AKA it's your man, Dead-Eye Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. Shopping at CDs with bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic crack your black like an automatic craftmatic. And Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor, a cold demeanor. AKA the sheet mask killer. No one can be Ella. AKA you're a problematic babe. Let's not pay for Showtime. Let's let's all steal the login from my boss. I'm sure that'll end up well. I'm gonna get it when we do a home invasion and pistol whip him. All right. Up next, come to the stage. We got the Kid Mero,
aka
two
the
shots,
Human Direct
two
Flap,
shots,
you know
two
what I'm saying? Aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader. Hop the curb, nigga. Hit your corgi, nigga. Keep it moving. I don't give a fuck. Aka I no fucking baby, I fucking mang.
He's a ming.
You know what I'm saying? Aka no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I was Top Bridges stunt double in different strokes, motherfucker. Respect my IMDb credits, motherfucker.
When the world's on you.
Yeah. AKA CC Dab out there, you know what I'm saying? Hitting them dabs, you know what I'm saying? AKA getting this shmoney and this smoke. It's your boy going Schmirrat. You know what I'm saying? I got all my kids no-show union jobs on the Teamsters because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. AKA Bitch Smack B.O.B.O. AKA D.A.O. Maradona. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your baby Motobo. You know, go with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Exclusively.
I had plans.
No. AKA David Trisdale, pow pow, nigga, take that for data. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. AKA Swipe My Card Again, there's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management. And me and my man's about to have Showtime on Smash. You know what I'm saying? You know what time it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos. So Zanny, let me find out. I'll kiss your abuelita right on her toto in front of your tío. Ask me if I care, nigga. I don't give a fuck.
Come on, you wild.
That's right. I'll stomp you out with Chelsea boots. I don't care. AKA Light Now Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for?
See it is.
I can see it in your eyes. That you're broke ass ain't got five. So get the fuck out of here, nigga.
Broke boy.
I don't even think they print $5 bills no more.
Livingston, you don't got 5?
You don't have 5? Pun it? You coward. Hey, AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to exploit your cosmos, ma. You know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert. You know what I'm saying? I did half his hand, fell asleep up on the gram.
Out like a light. Like a light.
Hey.
Like a light.
Hey.
Livingston, why are all the lights out?
Oh. AKA Final Mr. MVP of Gelato. AKA Zeniel Bennyfield. Now you gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks so I can fall asleep on this plane. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke me.
We're
at Mama Sushi, the flagship, excuse me, on Tycoon. Thank you very much.
Nice.
Okay. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I'll replace your torso with a Nintendo Switch because unlike Mero, you are not a father of the year. You are a Joy-Con. Woo! Get it?
Woo!
Double entendre, nigga, don't ask me how.
Woo! Popeye Ben is back.
Candy get the strap. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet because you know who it is. It's the Zen Man. AKA, Rico Sobrosa, AKA, Lucius lying ass nigga. Absolutely not, officer. I am not Terrence Howard, man. I'm a Pokemon master named Terrence Howard, man. Can I go now, man? This is a violation of my rights, man. Come on now. AKA, Baby New for 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA, Nino Brown shut the Carter down. AKA, live from the front of the bodega starting a Kickstarter for a beer. It's the E-Stream on Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is Fucking and Dope Sick Love, Don't Let Me Leave. AKA, listen, we're on Showtime now, premium, budgets are big, the only 2 rock stars left in the millennium. You know what I'm saying? It's the Bodega Boys, of which I am. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Dreamer.
Smoking weed.
Stealing beer for Jesus because I'm a pal.
Aww.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what friends are for.
You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francesa, dog. I'm never gonna fail. Never. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I don't even know if I play basketball anymore. And to be honest, I don't give a fuck. I'm a legend. Suck my dick from the back. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony.
4-3.
Eating a cheesy gordita crunch wrap. Bang!
Sponsored by Taco Bell.
You know what I'm saying?
Live locals.
If you see me at Target opening Zoom blind bags to make sure my kids don't get doubles, nigga, approach me like a motherfucker Ursine mammal dog. I may react erratically.
And you won't like that.
You know what I'm saying? Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll fall asleep and piss on myself. Yo. Uncle Magic is a snitch.
Benzo.
Okay. So fake leads your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high of Cascade Pods and Country Time Lemonade that I lied and sells with fresh squeezed. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that nigga. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, que llegó. ¿Qué fue? Llegó el hijo de Titi FIFA, el que no hace coro con rana, ni palomo, ni tigre arrancado. Si tú debes en el con más rueda de mi mesa, palomo. Es una película que yo estoy viviendo y los actores principales, tú lo estás viendo. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? La verdadera grasa, papá. Llega al flow que estamos activos en Showtime. Así que sintonízate que venimos a matar, papi. You know what I'm saying?
I like it.
Shout out Showtime. Shout out Cash App. Shout out, como siempre, shout out Locksmith. Shout out DJ Hasan Insane, el más loco. Shout out Dímelo, el papi de la lady. Shout out DJ Broquete, el Clapitán. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Let's get it.
Yes, what he said. But next time in English. Let me tell you, kids, we're gonna build that wall.
Build it.
We're gonna. Yo, it's episode 136. Your most dangerous podcast in the world. Bodega Boys in the building. Catch us on Showtime. Catch us in Locksmith. Catch us in LA. We gonna be smoking, eating CBD pizza.
Woo. Hey, we about to catch a flight.
We out.
Peace.